setting up your TTB Compliance Info in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to enter the permit details your filings are built from, so every report you generate is correct from the start. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Settings, TTB from your dashboard. This page holds the information your TTB filings are built from, so get it right before you generate your first report. Start by choosing the license type this permit covers, brewery, cidery, or distillery, and link it to the facility it applies to. Enter your brewer's notice number exactly as issued, along with your EIN and the brewery name exactly as it appears on the permit. Select your filing frequency, quarterly or annual, based on what TTB has assigned you. That controls how often I remind you a filing is due and what period your reports cover. If you qualify for small brewer tax rates, mark your small brewer status here, since that affects the excise tax calculations on your filings. Enter your plant address if it differs from your general business address, since TTB filings reference the registered plant location specifically. Check every field against your actual TTB paperwork, then save. From here, your TTB filing pages pull this information automatically, so an error here carries through to every report you generate.